Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you guys are new, welcome, and please, if you guys are not new and not subscribed, what are you doing? Please subscribe. But alright, let's carry on. So, anyways, we are playing Scary Baboon, if you guys couldn't tell, and yeah. And if you guys are here and you guys haven't seen my latest video, go check that out.
Yeah.
Okay, it will be linked in the description. Or you guys can just go to my channel.
I ran too fast.
Really?
I'm done.
And just like be quiet. Alright. Enough with that. But you guys can just go to my channel, click on videos, and it should be the second one.
Are you making a video?
Mm-hmm.
Are you making a video? Hello, my name is Can we be friends?
Shoot! Flying all the way up.
I think my back. Coming! What?
Mommy, I'm scared!
Dingling, we're good! Dingling, we're good! But when he goes to the house, there's a picture and everything. So you don't really get
Shoot!
Hey, how much does a pelt?
Why did I just run right into him?
I seriously just want to go and I got a plan. All I need
Na, 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 na. Really not being chased by monsters.
What do you do?
La, 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 la. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. No!
Let's go, Bobo. Y'all had to close the door. Close it, close it. I want to see what happens if I... Why?
No, no, oh, no.
That's the regulator.
I don't know why I was so scared.
Sure. Where did he go? What the? What happened to your freaking
It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Oh, I think it's right there.
Go.
Oh, they're glitched. Poor monster. I can't breathe. So I got the doctor. Holy crap. Are they? Ring around the roses. Da, 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 da. Ashes, ashes, we all start to not want Meat Man to kill me.
I did. Hit the dog. Go hit this. I did. Guys, I'm gonna... Nobody can get me.
I don't know what I'm doing. Ring around the roses, it's all of these ashes we all.
Nope, I'm not doing that. Bro, it's not that hard. It's not, bro, it's not that hard.
I said I'm joking, guys. You're all on me.
That's how you roll.
Mommy!
Hey, purple! Purple! I'm the big bird! Teal! Hey, Teal! 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 Come here, come here! See you later.
La 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 la.
Go to
La 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 la.
balloons.
Hi.
Go to balloons.
Safe.
Tell me where my heart and my sleep. Tell me what's
Trying to kill me. Can't get me. Can't get me. Can't get me.
came from Black Google, and I need to get the pool. I got my car.
I died. Look at this dude. Look at.
Alright, I got guns. I'll shoot them.
Alright.
Quick, the pools. Get on something.
I'm doing it. Sorry. Oh no. Why'd they both die? I wonder. It was me. I'm not dying by you. I'm gonna get a bat and hit them. I don't even have a bat. I'm gonna get a cone, whack them with it. Can I whack them with it? Ah! My dead body! I just love seeing my dead body. Alright. Well guys, this has come to an end. Goodbye.